Hi, this is Ajit from Chennai. This channel is created to share the information on stock market trading as well as investing. Before going for a topic stock market, we should know the difference between investing and trading. Most people have fear on investing in a stocks because they think their money will become zero. In reality, if you have invested in a company which performs good, will give returns more than 200 to 500 percentage. Let us assume that we have invested 1 lakh in 2010 on 20 different company stocks. Means we are investing 5,000 rupees on average. This is called as a back testing where we comes to know how much returns we may get in case if we have invested in 2010. For performing this back testing, you should aware how much stocks available in Nifty 500. For that, you can download the Excel from NSE website. So just type Nifty 500 stock list in Google. You will get this NSE website where you can download the list of companies in Nifty 500. So these are all the company names which has been listed over Nifty 500. You can pick any stocks like Bajaj Finance or Asian Paint. So I'm just picking Asian Paint and I will check what is the price of 2010 and what is the current market price for Asian Paints. So the current market price of Asian Paint is 2448 rupees. Where in 2010 the Asian stock price was around 200 rupees maximum. So if you have invested 5,000 rupees in Asian Paints at 2010, you will get nearby 48 to 50,000. So this is Asian Paints share returns from 2010 to 2020 where you can check any stocks which are you want. So I am just sharing a Bajaj Finance stock price. In 2020 it was near sorry in 2010 it was near 70 to 100 rupees, but currently it is 4,800 rupees. So in case if you have invested 5,000 in Bajaj Finance at 2010, imagine what amount you may get today. So this is how the stock market works irrelevant of the crash which happens 7 to 8 years. Once the recovery will be happen very soon after this crash. For example, you can check any stocks which has been recovered from this corona pandemic fall. So recently, everyone aware like how much fall has been in stock market because of corona pandemic. So that means it was near April to May. The stock has been fallen for 50 to 60 percentage, but you can see the recovery rate. So it has been recovered within 8 months. So this is how the recovery will happen after the crash. So there is no need to worry on crash where that is the opportunity to buy more stocks. So the Bajaj Finance stock price before crash was nearby 5,000 rupees, and when the crash happened it has been fallen for 50 percentage. So this is the place where most of the peoples will buy the stocks because they know the stock will get bounce after any kind of fall. So whenever the crash happens, just buy the stock and get returns from that. So this is how this long term market works. So if you want to start investing, you can contact us for free demat account, and after opening demat account we will teach you like how to start investing. Thanks for watching. In upcoming videos we will share how to predict the movement of the market for free. So kindly do the subscribe.